Hello, in this Python programming video we are going to look at the Spinbox widget. Spinbox widget is really simple. Basically this input that has up and down button, and if you press the up it increments it by 1, if you press the down button it increments it by 1 as well, and you can have a range. So it's pretty cool, and there's only really 2 lines required. The initial setup. So box equals Spinbox, and you specify the window you draw into, you specify where your range is from. You have to put from underscore because from is another keyword, as you can see here. So you have to do from underscore equals 0. So I want to range from 0. You could go into minus if you wanted. 2 equals 5. And now we just do box.pack. Run this bad boy. I'm going to invalid syntax, forgot the equal sign, now run it again. There we go. So if we click it, it goes up. I can't go any further, and if I go down, it goes down, but I can't go any further. So that's it for the Spinbox. Very simple stuff. With this video, there will be a link to a website that shows you all the different functionality that you can manipulate in the Spinbox. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.